Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, today we're going to challenge the air fryer to cook one of my favorite foods ever. Alright family, y'all stay tuned. This is going to be a good one. Alright family, I don't think I've had a chance to cook these often on the channel, but one of my favorite foods is mushrooms. Not so much the portobello mushrooms, but just mushrooms in general. The small button type mushrooms. I take them, put them on a barbecue pit, low temperature, let them do their thing, let them get smoky for about 5 or 10 minutes, season them lightly with my favorite seasoning, with some Tony Satchel, salt, pepper, whatever. Boom. Beautiful snack. Alright family, I found these at Rouse's, and these are stuffed portobello mushrooms. They're stuffed with 3 cheeses, jalapenos, the whole 9 yards. So, the first thing we're gonna do, and this is something I've never done before, we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and hit the fish setting, which we know is 350 degrees, 10 minutes. We're gonna let that air fryer go for about 2 or 3 minutes, get hot, and when we come back, I'll tell you why I'm doing that. We'll stick the mushrooms in, let them go for however long they go, because this is my first time doing this, and I don't know. All right, family, we'll be right back. All right, family, the air fryer's been on for about 2 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull the bottom rack out. And the reason I wanted to preheat this thing, and this is trial and error, like I said, this is my first time doing portobello mushrooms of any mushroom of any kind in the air fryer. If you know anything about mushrooms, first of all, if you're a mushroom lover, people either love mushrooms or they hate them. I love them. If you love mushrooms, you know that they take on a lot of moisture, especially these portobello mushrooms. So the thing that we wanted to do, what I want to do is hit them with high heat quickly. Why did it say error 3? What the heck? What is that about, fam? Never had an error before. Well now. Alright family, stand by. Let me see what's going on. Alexa, my Chefman air fryer gave me an E3 error message.
There were no matches for that in your recent orders. To view more details, go to your orders on Amazon.
Alexa, E3 error message.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Interesting. All right, fam, that's interesting. It could have had something to do with this pan. Like I said, I make mistakes so y'all don't have to. So we're gonna keep it real. So I'm gonna see if that's gonna give me another error message, but in the meantime, we're gonna move on with this video, and most importantly, we're gonna move on with my supper, because this is literally my supper. So I don't have time for no doggone error messages. Got me all out of kilter. I forgot to spray my mushroom with a little oil. Okay, we're gonna spray that with a little oil, and like I was saying before I got an error message, if you know anything about mushrooms, you know, first of all, do not salt your mushroom before you put it on, whether it be the grill, air fryer, oven, whatever, because it's gonna soak up that moisture, especially if you're eating the mushrooms alone. If you're gonna put them in something, that's fine, but if you're eating mushrooms alone, do not salt them. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisten that down with a little bit of oil. It's on 6 minutes now. So we're gonna let this roll out for about 6 minutes, see what that mushroom looks like. Hopefully it's crispy and doesn't take on that Portobello black gravy look. If you know anything about mushrooms, you know that if you put it on the grill, it's gonna give you like a dark gravy, watery juice on the inside. All right, family, I grossed y'all out enough with mushroom talk. Let's let this do its thing, and we'll be right back in 6 minutes, hopefully. Hey, Parker. Yeah, quick video. Cooking me a mushroom. Uh-oh. Yeah. Cockeyed. Yeah.
I know one thing that's good in there is pizza.
Really? Oh, yeah, I better make a crispy pizza. All right, YouTube fam. The timer just went off. I don't know if I explained why I only cook one of those mushrooms, because if I make the mistake and y'all don't have to, then I don't have nothing to eat tonight. So I took a little bit of the butter that I had in there because it was too much butter. Took some off, just dropped it on top of this one. But the reason we're only doing one mushroom is so I will have something to eat tonight in case this goes horribly wrong. Oh, and by the way, family, I went and looked up that error code. The E3 error code for a Chefman air fryer is a overheating condition. I have never, that was the first time I've ever preheated this air fryer. Plus, I had this pie pan on the top, underneath. So I don't know if there wasn't enough air circulation, the fact that there wasn't a food item in there to absorb the heat. It was one of the two or both, but it was a simple E3 error message. And I don't think it'll happen again as long as I treat the air fryer like an air fryer and don't treat it like a, like I treat stuff. I'm not kind to my cooking utensils, my yard utensils, lawnmowers, weed eaters, any of that. That's neither here nor there. All right, family, like I said, I'm hungry. Let's try this without any seasoning. And it did come out pretty good. It's not all runny with that juice on the inside. Like I said, if you know anything about mushrooms, especially portobellos, you know how they behave. Bam. Jalapeno, 3 cheese, portobello mushroom. I don't want that hot cheese to burn me. You know what mama said? You're gonna be stupid, you gotta be twice as tough. I don't think that needs anything. That jalapeno pepper. I was always taught that if you want to lighten up your salt or pepper or seasoning game, put something hot and it takes over your taste buds and you won't miss that salt or that pepper. And that's exactly what these doggone peppers have done. Family, add that to your recipe book. Stuffed portobello mushrooms. Pepper, Mexican 3 cheese type cheeses, whatever type cheese you choose, stick that in the air fryer. I think I used a fish setting. Remember, I did heat the air fryer up for 2 minutes. That may be a no-no. So on the next mushroom, I'm gonna just stick it straight in, let it do its thing for about 10 to 12 minutes, and this is what you come out with, fam. Woo! And is it good? All right, family. Hope y'all had a wonderful holiday, a wonderful Christmas. I think I'm gonna post this one sometime between around New Year's. So I hope y'all had a great holiday season, and I will catch y'all in the next one. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.